So, okay, fine. We are doing the today's POTD, the palindrome pattern. So, what is the question? The question tells us. Okay, one minute. So, what is the question? The question tells that. One minute. Let me connect something. Okay. So, question tells that I have n cross n matrix. So, its size is n cross n, and मतलब if I talk I have n cross n matrix. They have zero based indexing since the index of the rows and columns are zero based. Okay. So what we need to do here, we have to find the row or column which is palindrome. Either the row is palindrome or column is palindrome. Now, what to do? If the row is palindrome, let's say zeroth row is palindrome, and let's say first column is palindrome. So we have to return 0. Okay. If zeroth column is palindrome and first column is palindrome, so we have to return 0. If zeroth row is palindrome and first column is palindrome, so we have to return row. We have to prioritize row. Palindrome with a smaller index the result the palindrome found in rows and column. Palindrome found in rows prioritize over the columns. Okay. Now, if uh, if I talk about rows dominate over column, okay, done. But if I talk about firstly index prioritize zeroth row, any row or any column. First we talked about index, and if zeroth row is there and first column are palindrome, so we are what we talk about zeroth row is answer. If zeroth row and zeroth column is palindrome, so we have to return zeroth row dominates over column. Now the question says we have to return the index of that row or column, and we have to write R or C for the reference of row or column. So it's the question. See what is there here. First row is palindrome, so we have written 1 R. So we are studying the question. Since it is n cross n matrix, so number of rows and number of column are same. So I am finding number of rows or number of column in n equal to AR dot size. Okay. Now what we need to do is I have done a loop. Indi call indi row. First I talk about indi row equal to what can I say? Int. If I initialize it to int max, any random number. Okay. Int indi call I initialize it to int of min or max, anything, I don't know. Okay. Now first I will find the row or column, the row which is palindrome. Okay. So first I talk about int I equal to 0 to I less than n, I plus plus. Okay. I found now I have to talk about palindrome. See, now I have to run another row in that row. In that row, if I talk about this row, is it palindrome? No. Is this row is palindrome? No. Is this row is palindrome? Sorry, this row is palindrome. Yes. This row is not a palindrome. So the answer is 1. Now what we are doing what we are doing here, I'm running a another loop inside of this code. Int uh, j equal to 0 to j less than n by 2. Yeah, since if I talk about this row is, the size of this row is 3. So if I run the loop n by 2 up to n times, so n sorry n by 2 times, then I'll go up to one index only, 0 0 index only. N by 2, if I talk about n by 2, then it is 3 by 2 1, and if I j less than n by 2, so it is j less than 1, and so it will run up to here. So it will check this. So what we are doing, I am checking starting index and ending index, starting ending together. And if it is the size of array, if n is odd, if n is odd, I need not to check the middle. If n is even, I have to check the half of this, half array on the left and half array on the right. Is both are same from the left and right part. It is palindrome. So what we are doing, j less than n by 2 and j plus plus. Now I need to check. So what we are doing, I'm doing. See, I will do error of I and now j. If equal to error of I n minus 1 minus j. So what I'm doing, uh, I will update in the row 2, in the row 2, uh, I else else I update in the row 2, in the row 2, int x. The same work I will do. Now what I will check, this loop runs for all. If I found, so I have to return. If in the row not equal to int max, uh, if not equal, then we have to break. Okay. Now same thing I will do for columns. I have for loop, out of for loop I'll run it from j to j less than n and j plus plus and I equal to 0 to I less than n by 2 and I plus plus, and same thing I will check. J is fixed, I know j is fixed, and it will run from there. Okay, okay. Now since I will vary n minus, okay, okay, here j will be fixed, j will be fixed and n minus 1 minus I, okay, and I'll update j, okay, in the column, okay, else in the col, I'll do int max, and I will also check in the col. I'll check it. Now I'll check if in the row equal to int max and in the uh, col sorry, equal to int max. Okay. What do I have to return? Return minus. Now, now if If Indy row is equal to return Indy row, Indy row. And if both are not there, both are not int max, so what I will do? What I will do? Means after checking all these conditions, so I will return if max of both this. Now if Indy row equal to Indy call. If Indy row equal to Indy call, I'll return. Oh, what you have written? You know. See, in the call, you written a string. You have written a string. So what we are doing? Okay, okay. String int answer equal to the call plus call. If I call C, it's right. Answer equal to indi call, and I will typecast it to typecast string. Okay. Achha, I cannot do like that. To string to string. I have converted to string, and now I'll return. And same thing I'll do here. Answer equal to string in the row plus r and return answer. Okay. And if equal, so what I'll do, and answer equal to, both are equal to two string. I'll turn two string, two string, two string in the row, and I will prioritize if, else if you are not equal, so I will return max of this. No answer return max. No string int. Why are you telling a int? Think it's string. So I will let a string and then s equal to max of two string, max of, and row individual. And how do I know who is me? So then well, same thing what I'll do, I will Row is greater than. So why indeed whole? And I'll write here and else. Same thing I do. Okay. Indeed. If I compile them, maybe going. I think some wrong and wrong and will be there. Some wrong and will be there. Some wrong and will be there. I know it. So what is it? 29. Okay, it's a string. What? No problem. Hidden type is string. I've corrected it. Maybe output is wrong. Okay. The output 0C. Its output is 0, 1R. Okay. Which question is this? 100, 100, 010, and 110. Okay. So here, I think I have done some mistakes. J0. मुझे कॉलम चेंज करना सही और तो ब्रेक कर दो ठीक अभी रुक जा तो एक काम कर इसने बोला 1 मैंने बोला 0C तो 0C कैसे होता है 0C अगर 0 और C कॉलम की बात करें तो 101 बन रहा है बिल्कुल बन रहा है 1010 बन रहा है ठीक है तो छोटा है वो देना अरे बड़ा है वो देना ये अच्छा रो प्रायोरिटाइज इंडेक्स की प्रायोरिटाइज करी थी क्या बोला If multiple palindromes are identified, prioritize the palindrome found in rows over the columns. Within the rows of column palindrome with a small index. Okay. If multiple are found, any index, prioritize row. If within the rows or within the columns, found, so update me. Small index, small index. So I have found the small index only. Okay. Okay, I have found the small index only. Every time if I found the index of the palindrome, I break the shift. Okay, I found the smaller only. The question is if both are data -1, if yeah int max, so I return this. If both are column, so I should not bother about it. I should not bother about it. Every time if I found, I would return row only. Every time. Else. I'll put a else. Direct an else. Direct I'll put an else. What I'll do? I'll put an else if. Else string answer equal to I'll return R. Okay. No matter what is there, I put R. Okay. I think it will work. 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 And it's worked. I think it may not give TLE. It may not give TLE. It's possible it may not give TLE. Oh, it is not possible for multiple test cases. What is this? Put out to -1. Okay. -1. Okay. But haven't handled the very critical cases. See, इनपुट क्या है 1 1 है तो मेरा इनपुट क्या है मेरा आउटपुट क्या है -1 इसमें कोई बात नहीं डेट आउटपुट 0 आउटपुट बिल्कुल सी बात 0 रो इनके लिए 1 है ठीक है वही तो बात इनके लिए 1 है इनपुट क्या है इंटीजर इनको बता रहा हूँ ठीक है वो मतलब नहीं है तो 1 ही है इंटीजर और एक ही नंबर है तो एक नंबर है जिस टाइम एक नंबर है ना उस टाइम अपन को क्या करना है एक नंबर है तो 0 रिटर्न होगा बात तो सही है तो मैंने क्या किया, एन इक्वल टू चलाया, एड डॉट साइज एन वाला है, 0 से लेकर मैंने लेस देन 1, तो मैंने 0 चलेगा, जे में चाहे 0 से लेकर n/2, n/2 ओके, वहां लूप चलेगा ही नहीं। तो ये काम करना पड़ेगा तेरे को, मतलब इफ n इक्वल टू, सॉरी यहाँ पर, इफ n इक्वल टू 1, इफ n इक्वल टू 1, रिटर्न रिटर्न 0 स्पेस, am I wrong, am I wrong, am I wrong, no, उसमें भी तो चलेगा, नहीं तो कॉलम ही पिलिंड्रोम, क्या होता, अगर 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 ऐसा कॉलम है, कोई ऐसा कॉलम है, कोई ऐसा कॉलम है कि 1, अच्छा ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता ना, 1 और फिर 2, जब 2 आएगा 2 क्रॉस 2 ही होएगा, ठीक है, तो 0 आ रही रिटर्न हो, ठीक है, ठीक है, ये मे बी, अच्छा यूज यूज कर लो, यूज कहाँ गया वो, यूज टेस्ट केस में कॉपी कर लेता हूँ मैं उसको, और इसी को यूज कर लेते हैं, ये भाई, ये compile and run, yeah, I think it will be right answer. So I haven't handled any critical case, boundary cases or corner case. Which you are its side. May I submit it? I think it is done. I think it will be done. Oh, 4 hours. ठीक है, 5 + 5 बताओ तो सही। ये बन गया तेरा 5 + 5 का मैट्रिक्स। इसमें क्या बोला इसने, मेरा है 2 आर, ये बोल रहा है 4 आर, ऐसे तो है 2 आर, 2 0 1 2 कैसे ही है, तो कैसे आना चाहिए, नहीं आ सकता, नहीं सकता है, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, जरूर, तो ही नहीं सकता, 2 तो कैसे हो गया, 2 आर आ गया मैं, इसका आंसर 4 आर, 2 3 4, बिल्कुल 4 आर तो आंसर है, बिल्कुल, मेरा 2 आर कैसे आ गया, मैं 2 आर कैसे आया इसमें, रुक जा, रन करने दे, वो ड्राई रन करते हैं बढ़िया से, मैंने बोला, मैंने यहाँ पे 0 कर दिया, मैंने बोला इंट मैक्स कर दिया, इंट मैक्स कर दिया, इक्वल टू 0 कर दिया, इक्वल नहीं आया तो उसको बोलते हैं कि आप, अच्छा, ये कहीं दिक्कत तो नहीं कर रहा, मतलब मैं ये देख रहा हूँ, ये दिक्कत कर सकता है कि, में से तो ब्रेक कर जाओ आप ना, ठीक है, मैंने बोला कि मैंने रो के बराबर कर दो, अगर इक्वल हो गया मैंने रो के बराबर कर दो, और अगर यही इक्वल नहीं हुआ तो आगे बढ़ो ना यार, अभी यार जे तो बहुत सारे बड़े हैं, उनको भी तो चेक करना है, मैंने 0 और 1 नॉट इक्वल, किससे बराबर करना है, इंडी रो को इनमेक्स से बराबर करना है तो भी कर दो, है तो भी कर दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, वो इंटमैक्स के ही बराबर करना है, के ही बराबर करना सही है, फिर मैंने बोला कि मैं चला यहाँ से आया, मैंने बोला कि फर्स्ट रो में चला, आई इक्वल टू 0 फर्स्ट कॉलम में जाएगा, फर्स्ट कॉलम में सीधे से n बाई 2 ठीक है, n बाई 2 जे की वैल्यू कहाँ तक जाएगी, n बाई 2 होता है तो 0 1 तक जाएगी, तो 0 1 सही है, तो 0 1 मैच करा ना, 2r तो नहीं आएगा भाई, 0 1 मैच करा क्या, नहीं करा यार, 0 ही मैच नहीं किया तो इंटीजर क्या हो गया, इंट मैच हो गया मैंने, अगर ये इसके बराबर नहीं है तो ब्रेक कर दो, वरना तो चलने दो, अब चलना चाहिए क्या, अब चलना चाहिए क्या, अब चलना चाहिए क्या, अब चलना चाहिए क्या इसको, क्या बोल दिया था इसने, अरे यार ये क्या नहीं किया तुम, ये क्या नहीं किया, ये क्या, चलना चाहिए भाई, चलना चाहिए, चलना चाहिए, चलना चाहिए, चलना चाहिए, चलना चाहिए, चलना चाहिए, लेकिन टुआर ही दे रहा है भाई, वो टुआर दे रहा है, मेरा रे कम हो गया, 2 इसमें देख, 0 1 2, ये भी 0 1 2, ये भी गलत है, मेरा तो होगा फिर से होगा, अरे भाई खतरनाक ही इंसान है, रोग की तो बात है यहाँ पर, रोग की तो बात है ही नहीं। तो मैं क्या सोच रहा हूँ कि आई कैन, मिस्टेक इज, मिस्टेक इज, मिस्टेक इज what we are doing here, if palindrome not found, then I am doing int row equal to int max, but I should break this loop, since in this loop, in this row no palindrome can be found, so I should break it, since a single element is not equal to the last one, if you see from the last one corresponding last element, so palindrome cannot be found if any other element also it equals, so I should break this loop. Now if like that, like this, now like this, if I submit, I think it gone well. After some trial run, I got found. This is the error I am getting here. Okay, nice, very nice.